Moke Car 101, make your own Moke car? The Moke car is a distinctive electric vehicle known for its open-air design and leisure-oriented features. Here's a summary of its specifications and characteristics. Specifications *, overall length, 129 inches, 3,290 millimeters. Overall width, 60 inches, 1,530 millimeters. Height to top of windshield, 59 inches, 1,500 millimeters. Wheelbase, 60 inches, 1,530 millimeters. Ground clearance, 83 inches, 2,120 millimeters. Weight, standard vehicle, 541 pounds 245 kilograms. Drive motor, direct drive 48 volts 3-phase AC induction 5 kilowatts. Top speed, 25 miles per hour as LSV/NEV. Features *, construction, made from rugged and corrosion-proof steel. Batteries, uses industry-leading traction AGM batteries managed by the Sevcon computerized controller. Safety, equipped with standard headlights, brake lights, turn signals, horn, and windshield wipers. Braking system, standard 4-wheel braking system, including front-wheel hydraulic disc brakes. Customization *, the Moke car is available in various colors and can be customized. Schemes to add a personal touch or promote a company. Recent updates *, Moke America has introduced a new lithium battery upgrade, enhancing the vehicle's performance and range. The Moke car is celebrated for its simplicity and charm, making it a popular choice for those looking for a unique, eco-friendly mode of transportation for short distances and resort environments. For more detailed information, you might want to visit the official Moke website or contact a dealer. Remember to check the latest model year specifications as features and options may vary. Now check out 1. Specs Moke USA. https://mokeusa.com